Hey everybody, Nakul here from SkillsAcademy of English. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. Well, today we are back with yet another video. True, we are talking about the most confusing concepts in English called apostrophes. So before we begin, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button for the future notifications. Alright, here we start. There are two main usages of apostrophe. The very first part is contractions are very easy. You would have come across many of the contractions. For example, ma'am. It's not M-A-M, it's M-A apostrophe A-M. It's a short form for madam. The same way, don't, D-O-N apostrophe T. It's the short form for do not, won't, will not, wouldn't, would not. So you would have come across them at multiple places. So they are contractions, they're very easy. IT apostrophe S is nothing but it is. So apostrophe is one usage is for contractions. But there's one more place where apostrophe is being used, and that's where it leads to confusion. That's called possession. Let's say an object is being possessed, inherited, or the object belongs to someone. That's where you use the apostrophes, which is a second usage. The car belongs to David. In other words, it is David apostrophe S car. The house belongs to Sarah. It is her house. In other words, it is Sarah apostrophe S house. So whenever you want to talk about his, her, their, its, you're going to make use of apostrophes which talks about the possession. But wait, hold on. That's where the problem gets bigger, because the two things here, one is singular apostrophe, other is plural apostrophe. Means singular possession, plural possession. It need not be that an object can belong to only one person, isn't it? An object can belong to multiple people. So if it belongs to one person, you're going to use apostrophe S. If it is belonging to more than one person, you're going to use S apostrophe. So what is the difference between the two? Let's understand. A farmer has committed suicide. In other words, it is a farmer apostrophe S. Farmer apostrophe S suicide. Means suicide done by one person. But let's say there are three farmers, unfortunately have committed suicide. Now you don't say farmer apostrophe S, you're going to say farmers apostrophe. Idea is apostrophe S has to come, but if the word is already ending in S, you don't add one more S. Hope you are getting it. For example, bus is a singular, buses is a plural. Singular apostrophe, bus apostrophe S, let's say bus apostrophe S, tire. The tire belongs to bus. Let's say plural apostrophe, buses apostrophe yes, you don't add, it's buses apostrophe B-U-S-E-S apostrophe tire. Tire belongs to more than one bus. The same way you can take child. This toy belongs to a child. In other words, it is a child's toy. Child apostrophe yes. These toys belong to these children. In other words, it is children apostrophe yes. Now you add apostrophe yes because the word plural is not ending in S. So you add S. Hope you are getting it. So overall what we discussed today, the apostrophe is two main places they're being used. The first is contraction, that is to have a shortcut. Second is possession, to say that an object belongs to someone. In the possession we have singular possession, plural possession. Singular possession you're going to add apostrophe yes. Plural possession also apostrophe yes, but if the word is already ending in S, you don't add that redundant S and just add apostrophes. Hope this session helped you understand the complications of apostrophes, and I really hope you do not have any doubts, but if you have, please do leave a comment in the comment section. We will be back, our team will be back to help you understand exactly what it is. Any point of time, need grammar courses or online assistance, online paid course, do text us in the WhatsApp. We will be there, I will be there, our team will be there to help you. And don't forget to subscribe this new channel, because we're going to come up with a lot of things on an everyday basis to help you understand a lot of things about English. This is Nakul signing off from Skills Academy of English. Very soon I'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.